Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you another recipe for our Daniel's fast. So I'm making brown rice vermicelli pancit, but the vermicelli is made of brown rice and vegetable, like I'm gonna put some carrots and green beans, and then magluluto din ako ng cauliflower na ipa-fry mo lang siya or i-oven mo. Just put lemon and a dash of salt and pepper. To those who doesn't know what Daniel's fast is, actually Daniel's fast, this is a partial fast that is based on accounts of Prophet Daniel in the Bible. Now, when Daniel and some of the young Israelite men, it was written, it is recorded in Daniel 1 and also chapter 10 of Daniel, in the book of Daniel, where Prophet Daniel and some of the young Israelite men, they were taken into King Nebuchadnezzar's service, a 3-year training program. And Prophet Daniel decided not to partake the royal foods that they've been given to this young Israelite men, but Prophet Daniel decided to have a 10-day menu, which he only eat all kinds of vegetables and all fruits and some nuts, whole grains and seeds. So basically Daniel's fast is no meat diet. It is basically vegetable and fruits. After the training, after those days that Daniel only eat vegetable and fruits, he tends to be the only one that is more stronger and healthier. So alam naman natin na vegetables, fruits, they are healthy diet. And also, not only for Daniel's fast is not only for you to be healthy physically, it also cleanses your body and your soul. Every year on January, we have the 30-day prayer and fasting in our church. And so we're taking time to fast. So Daniel's fast is a partial fasting, but you can also, because there are different kinds of fasting, we have the absolute and normal fasting and partial fasting. So Daniel's fast is a partial fasting, cleanse your soul and to get more closer to God. To cook this month is mostly a Daniel's fast menu and some desserts. So for my desserts, meron akong saging na saba. So I'm just gonna fry it in olive oil. So yan ang aking desserts. And yung ginawa kong overnight oatmeal also, I ate that for breakfast. Oatmeal, rolled oats with chia seeds and soy milk. So we're just drinking soy milk, either soy milk or almond this time. So I'm doing this for 21 days together with the rest of the family. But some of the family member are doing the normal fasting. So in drink, we're just going to drink water or make juicing directly from vegetable and fruits, then I can drink that. And for the milk, we only can drink either soy milk and sweetened and almond milk. We can have a little bit of honey to sweeten. Oils na ginagamit namin, we're using coconut oil, almond oil, or olive oil only. Alright, so let's start. So guys, gagawa tayo ng, di ba, yung brown rice vermicelli. So meron tayong in replacement of meat, We have tofu. We have the garlic and the onion. Okay. So, hihiwain muna natin silang lahat. Guys, ito yung ating mga ingredients for our brown rice vermicelli. We have garlic and onion, and then carrots, cut it in thin strips, and also tofu in replacement for our meat. So I want it this way, like to cut it in cubes and then fry it. Pwede din naman, you can slice it in a big chunk and then fry it before slicing it in cubes. And also we have green beans here. Okay, and our gluten-free vermicelli brown rice pancit. This is fat-free and cholesterol-free. So I bought this in one of the local Chinese store. So you might want to try that. Alright, let's start. So in our pan, let's put olive oil. The one that we're using, olive oil. And I'm going to fry the tofu first. So we have the tofu. To fry it and make it a little bit brown. Guys, medyo nag-brown na siya, nag-toasty. Garlic. So, lagyan na natin yung garlic. Garlic. Okay, so we will put our carrots, and our green beans, and our green beans. A little bit of the water. Ito mga 1 cup. A little bit of salt. A little bit of soy sauce. Soy sauce made from soybean. And then we will add our brown rice vermicelli. I soak it in warm water. So, ibabad nyo muna siya sa warm water before you will add it. And mix it. We will cover it, lower the heat, and then we'll cover it up. There you go, guys. Our brown rice vermicelli is done. Kakain na tayo. Guys, here's my dinner. Ito yung ating niluto na brown rice vermicelli with tofu. And then I make a cauliflower. I just stir fry it and then put lemon, a little bit of salt, at saka yung ating fried saba, 3 pieces. Okay, so join me. Okay guys, so kain na tayo guys. Ito na yung ating brown rice vermicelli, pancit, and cauliflower na. Nilagyan ko ng lemon and a little bit of salt. At ating fried banana saba for dessert. And a lot of water. Okay, that's it. Pray muna tayo siya. Walang difference. Hindi mo malalaman na brown rice na pancit siya. Tastes the same. So guys, if you have any question about playing your class, just let me know. If you want some of the recipe, just comment below. And thank you for watching. God bless.